Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Subaru Outback, a car that's redefining what it means to be an adventure-ready SUV. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a family road tripper, or just someone who wants a versatile ride that can handle anything, this Outback might just be your dream car. Let's start with the exterior. Subaru has given the 2026 Outback a bold new look while staying true to its rugged roots. You'll notice a more aggressive front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and muscular lines that flow along the sides. The new wheel designs and subtle fender flares add to its athletic stance, making it look ready to tackle any terrain. And with a ground clearance of 9.5 inches, this isn't just for show, it's built for the trail. Moving inside, the 2026 Outback brings a refined, tech-forward cabin that doesn't sacrifice comfort or practicality. Right at the center is a stunning 13-inch vertical touchscreen, loaded with Subaru's latest Starlink infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the interface is smoother than ever. The materials have been upgraded too: soft touch surfaces, available Nappa leather, and new trim options that give it a more premium vibe without losing that rugged character. Space: there's plenty. You get generous headroom and legroom in both rows, plus over 75 cubic feet of cargo space when you fold the rear seats down. Whether it's camping gear, sports equipment, or a week's worth of groceries, the Outback handles it with ease. And if you go for the wilderness trim, you'll get water-resistant upholstery and all-weather floor mats, perfect for muddy boots and messy adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 Outback gives you options. The base engine is a 2.5-liter boxer 4-cylinder with 182 horsepower, offering solid fuel economy for daily driving. But if you want more punch, there's the turbocharged 2.4-liter boxer engine cranking out 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. That extra power makes highway merging, towing, and off-road climbing feel effortless. Both engines come paired with a continuously variable transmission, and of course, Subaru's signature Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive is standard across the lineup. Speaking of capability, the 2026 Outback continues to shine off-road. X mode returns with improved programming, adjusting throttle response, transmission mapping, and traction control for low traction conditions. The wilderness trim pushes things further with skid plates, upgraded suspension, and all-terrain tires. Whether you're crossing streams, climbing rocky paths, or driving through snow, the Outback is built to handle it all. Safety has always been a Subaru priority, and the 2026 model steps it up with an updated EyeSight Driver Assist suite. You get adaptive cruise control, lane centering, pre-collision braking, and now a new automated lane change function that makes highway driving smoother. A surround view camera system is available too, giving you confidence in tight spaces or tricky trails. Driving the Outback feels balanced. On the road, it's quiet, comfortable, and composed. The steering is precise, and the suspension soaks up bumps without feeling too soft. Off the pavement, you'll appreciate the traction and ground clearance, making it a true go-anywhere vehicle. One of the coolest additions for 2026 is the enhanced connectivity. Subaru now offers a digital key you can share via smartphone, remote start from your app, and over-the-air updates that keep the tech fresh without visiting the dealership. Little touches like wireless charging, more USB-C ports, and a 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system make daily driving even better. Pricing for the 2026 Subaru Outback starts around $320,000 for the base model and climbs into the mid-40s if you're going for the fully loaded wilderness or touring XT trims. Considering what you're getting, a comfortable, capable, tech-packed SUV, it's a solid value. So, who's this Outback for? Honestly, it's for anyone who wants versatility without sacrificing comfort or capability. It's for the family that wants to road trip across the country, the outdoor enthusiast who needs to haul gear into the wild, or even the commuter who wants safety and reliability with a touch of rugged style. The 2026 Subaru Outback doesn't try to be something it's not. It knows its identity and sticks to it: rugged, reliable, and ready for adventure. And that's exactly why it's earned its loyal following over the years. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the new Outback, make sure to hit that like button. Please share, like, and subscribe for more car reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you take this Outback on your next adventure? See you in the next one.